So we need to make data models. So what is modeling? Hopefully you do a bit of Power BI, but that's making the data model. Make the data model, set the relationships, create model-specific calculations, and just generally do all that stuff that you almost always do in Power BI, right? It's a Power BI thing, modeling really. But usually you need to create this data model and then you need to push it and then say to whoever's doing the gold layer, hey, can you make the extra dims and facts for me? This is the difference between kind of Power BI and Fabric, right? In Power BI, you're doing all of this in Power BI, right? And basically what you do is you do all of this all the way up to here in Power Query. This is Power Query. And then you do this in DAX and relationships and stuff, right? That's the Power BI world. In the Fabric world, go get bigger eraser. Then it's different. You do, why doesn't that select properly? You do all these pieces all the way, probably all the way up to here. You do in your lakehouse or whatever you're using at the time, but it's usually a lakehouse, right? So this is your lakehouse. And you do this bit in Power BI, which means your Power Query and your Power BI is probably really easy because it's just like get it out of gold and turn it into a data model. Nothing to it, easy. But this is a conversation that I was having with my team today. If you're a Power BI analyst, you should also be responsible for this. The Power BI analyst is a lot better at this bit than a data engineer. A lot better. So if you get your data engineers to create gold right now, they're probably doing it wrong. Just letting you know. Why are Power BI analysts better at it? Because they build models every day, all day. They know how to do it. They know how to do it. They're better at it. I'm going to say it. I've said it. Power BI analysts are better at creating gold layers than data engineers by a long way. Not the data engineers' fault. They just haven't practiced as much. Power BI people, they practice it.